Hi guys, my name is Jonathan David Brillianto. I'm from IF46INT. So today I'm gonna solve this some of the calculus problems. I will solve three numbers of these problems. So yeah, here we go. Alright, number one is the question is an is equal to 10 over n plus 1. As you can see, if we add the n or x right here is 1, we can get 5, and if we add 2 we got 3.3 something, and if you add 3, so that you got 10 over 3 plus 1 is equal to 2.5, and if you add 4 you got 2, if you add 5 you got 1.6 something, and if you add 6 you got 1.4 something, and if you add 7 you get 1.25, and if you add 8 you get 1.1111111, and if you add 9 you will get 1, because yeah, it's 10 over 10, and if you add 10 you will get 0.90909090991. If you add 11 you will get 0.83333, and so on. And if you add 12 you will get these numbers: 0.769230077. And if you draw the graph, depends on this table, you'll get this graph. Yep, like this. Yeah, I think that's the number one. We will continue to the number two. Continue with the number two. What we have here, there is an an is equal to 10n over n plus 1. It's a little bit different with the number one because there's n right here, so be careful about that. We'll start with number one. If you add 1 here you will get 10 times 1 is equal to 1 over 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, so we get n over 2 is equal to 5. And the second, if we add 2 right here we get 6.66666 and so on. If we add 3 we will get 7.5. If we add 4 we get 6. If we add 5 we get 8.3. If we add 6 we got 8.5714286 and so on. If we add 7 we will get 8.75, and if we add 8 we will get 8.88888888, and so on. If we add 9 you will get 9, because yeah, that's quite easy I guess. It's 90 over 10. And if we add 10 we will get 9, 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, 9, 0, and so on. If we add 11 we will get 9, 1, 6, 6, 6, 6, and the list 1. If we add 12 we will get 9.2307692, and so on. If you're curious where I get this, you can use the calculator because it's quite wasting time if you do this manually. And if you try to draw the graph, depends this, you will get this graph. This will curve right here and continue with this. Yeah, and yeah, that's number 2. We'll continue with the number 3, the last one. Finally, we have the last questions. It's number 3. We have a and it's equal to the bracket of -1 to the a. So it's quite simple as well because you just need to -1 to the n. If you add 1, you get -1 because yeah, that's quite easy. Go back to your elementary school if you can solve this. And if we add 2, we get 1. If we add 3, we get -1. If we add 4, we got 1. If we add 5, we get -1. And it's just like the pattern, like if we add the even number, you got the minus. If we add the if we add the even number, you get the positive 1. And if you add the odd number, you will get the negative number. And the pattern is just like this: dots and dots and dots and dots and dots and dots and so on. And yeah, I think that's all for today. Thank you. See you on the next task maybe. Have a great day.